So this is one of the myths. You know, all proteins are equal. You know, if you sit down with your average dietitian and she says, okay, you need 0.8 grams per kilogram a day of protein. And so we just add them up, and if you get to your number, let's say your number is 60 grams of protein a day or 80 grams of protein a day, you're good. And that assumes that they're all equal, but they're not all equal. There's two pathways that can happen with a protein that you eat. So you chew it, it goes to your stomach. These proteins are very long chains of amino acids. Then if you look at actin, which is the major muscle protein, it has over 5,000 amino acids in one muscle fiber.
Wow.
Okay? So you eat some muscle meat, it's got it chopped up into single amino acids. So they come into your bloodstream as amino acids. They go to your cells, and now your cell there has machinery to take the amino acids and make them back into human proteins.
Right.
Now, if the profile of the amino acids in that meat or fish or nut or you know, whatever you're eating isn't right, the protein that you're trying to manufacture can't be made.